Welcome back to Enlighten Infosystems YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the remaining dashboard features. Let's dive right in. Let's take a look at the receipt module. To generate a receipt, we need to fill in the required details. Customer name, bill number. Selecting the bill number will automatically generate the total amount, remaining amount, paid amount, and TDS amount. We further add payment date and payment type. Once all details are entered, we can save the receipt. Upon saving, the receipt will be generated and can be viewed as shown here. Next, we have the ledger report for receipts. In this section, you can define the start date, end date, and customer name to generate and view the report. This report can also be printed, providing all the necessary details along with the receipt. To generate a payment, simply fill in the required details as displayed on the screen. Once completed, we can view the payment by selecting the respective supplier. To generate a payment ledger report, here, you need to specify the start date and end date, and you can print the report once the details are filled in. A receipt will be generated along with the report. Now, let's move to stock inventory. This section provides a detailed list of product stock information. You also have the option to generate and download a PDF report of the stock details. Moving further, we have the office expenses option. Here, you can add an expense by selecting its type, entering the invoice amount, and providing a description. After adding the expense, you will be able to see the updated list as displayed on the screen. Next, let's look at the purchase and sales report. To generate the report, simply input the start date, end date, and report type. You can then print the details for further review. We also have a receipt and payment report. To generate this report, provide the start and end dates, report type, and the name of the customer or supplier. This report can also be printed. Let's move on to packing. In this section, we can select the customer and invoice number. Once the required fields are filled, the packing slip can be generated and printed as shown here. We have now covered all the dashboard options. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll introduce to HR module.